Nature of light. To know how light reflects, refracts, diffracts, and many other aspects, we have to understand the nature of light by its theories. The nature of light has two theories: wave theory of light and particle theory of light. Wave theory of light. Light consists of electromagnetic waves which do not require a material medium for its propagation. Its characteristics features are diffraction, interference, and polarization. Particle theory of light. Light is composed of particles which travel in a straight line at a very high speed. Its characteristic features is reflection and refraction. Light exhibits the properties of both waves and particles. Light has dual nature.